You want my honest opinion? I don't like this. Broken parts. I broke something inside. Now I'm worried. Maybe I expect too much. There's no groove. There's no groove for the ring on this part. Parkside. What the fuck? Hello, and in this video we are going to unbox, set up and test another budget tool from Parkside, and it's a column drill PTBM 550A1. I spent 190 euros on this tool, which is not so cheap to be honest, and let's see if it's worth it. A manual, a drill base, a tool base. I don't know what is that. Looks like something that broke off. I cannot believe this. It's already broken. Second tool in a row I'm unboxing is broken from the very beginning. Drill spindle taper. Next we have a column. The metal parts look good quality so far. In this little box we have the drill chuck. I feel quality in my hands. Some broken pieces again. Jesus, look. All of these plastic knobs are broken already. Cracked in several places. And I didn't even use it yet. Nice, Parkside. Very, very nice. Okay, I found where that part goes. That broken part goes here. It goes here. It's a rotation knob. So the whole part for rotating the column is falling apart already. I didn't even unpack it yet. I don't know what is that, some adjustment legs or something like that. Then we have, I guess it's a safety cover. And then we have the drill itself. Jesus, this is heavy. I have it. And nothing more. So this is what you get with a box. Some kind of glue, or is this a paint? Guys, I already have here something. I don't like this, guys. I'm afraid I will have more problems with Parkside in a moment. Jesus, I love this brand already. Guys, do you smell it? I smell something bad. I don't mind the broken knob, but this paint here on the engine, I don't like it at all. It means something. And after my bad experience with the bandsaw machine, the moment of truth! What the fuck? I wanted to have a little intrigue and to keep the launch moment until the end, but now, after seeing these little imperfections, I want to test it already. Here I switch on the plug. We are switching it on, guys. Working! It's even showing the RPM. Okay. Good, now we can continue the assembly. Cancel the panic. So first of all, we will attach the tube. It goes on top, like that. So we just screw these 3 screws. Next, we slide the drill bench on top of the tube. Like that, nothing special. Time to put the drill on top of this assembly. We take it like that. This is heavy. Up, up. This is the heaviest part. We just put it like that. Oh, it's heavy. We tighten this and this if we want to prevent it from movement. Now it's sturdy and quite reliable, I would say. Who knows what is next? I guess we have to attach the spindle and the chuck. This goes like that. We do the same with the chuck. Tap it until it sits firmly. We install these handles. I don't like this movement at all. Let's see if it's working. I plug this in again. I don't want to get electrified or something. I'm afraid of these tools already. It Feels like it has some vibration, I don't know if it's normal. I broke something inside. Can you believe it? Jesus Christ, I cannot believe it. Something broke inside. Oh, this devil machine brand Parkside. It starts to worry me. I was rotating the RPM adjustment knob and something just broke inside. How do you like it? One knob is broken, rotating one thing breaks another thing. What should I think about this brand? Here we go, the panel is detached. This doesn't sound good at all. I think this is the part that I lost somewhere inside when I heard that clicking noise. Now I'm worried. I have to figure out where this goes, guys. Jesus Christ. It's Parkside. I think 190 euros is a lot of money anyway, even if it's a budget tool. So I expect to get something from it, you know. I wonder where did this ring came from. I think I might know. Maybe I should return this machine to the manufacturer and forget about these problems. What do you think? This is freaking amazing. Freaking amazing. I just don't get it, guys. I would guess that this had to hold this part here. It should prevent this movement, but there's no gap. There's just no gap. This is the diameter of this part, and it should have a groove there. If it was assembled just like that on the top of it, no wonder that I had this clicking sound. It just jumped off and that's all, because there's no gap. There's no groove for the ring on this part. What the hell? And there's no other logical place to put this on. Parkside, what the f***? Explain me, please? Go to hell. Let's assemble everything back. Hopefully you learned something from this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you made your own conclusions. Subscribe, hit like, share with your friends, and as always, I see you in the next one. Ciao!